From this reference image I want to model this lamp. First of all I'm gonna erase this one and then set the front view by the line tool. I want to draw a line from the center to the top like this. After that, by arc tool, the shortcut of the arc tool is A. Like this, and I'm gonna increase the number of segments to 100 like this, and again by the arc tool I'm gonna draw another arc like this. I'm gonna increase the number of segments of this arc also to 100. We can't increase the number of segments to 100, so I'm gonna increase it to 30. Yes. Again by arc tool, I'm gonna continue this process. So now I'm gonna hide the image and draw a circle by the circle tool, shortcut is C. By tapping the top arrow key, lock the z-axis, across the z-axis I want to draw the circle like this, and click on the edge of the circle, then click on follow me tool, click this face like this. You see here this is not looking good. By the Ctrl Z I want to undo the changes. Now click on the edge of the circle. Here I want to increase the number of segments to 100. Now click on follow me tool, click on this face. Now you can see this is very much smoother than the previous one. Okay. Right click here, click on soften, smooth edges. Here I want to smooth the edges. Like this, and I'm gonna add the texture. Click on edit, I want to unhide the image. Click on edit, unhide last. On X-ray mode I want to see the image like this. Here this area is black. Go to view tab, then hide in geometry. I want to erase the circle, I don't need it anymore. So now I'm going to select this area in front view and also make the camera to parallel projections like this, as you see here. Now by pin packet tool I'm gonna add a dark material, a dark color to this area, and for this area I want to add a silver color like this, and for the top I want to add and for the top one I would add a glass material like this, and here I want to edit the glass material to the yellow. Here I want to make the numbers of the opacity to 40 like this. Hide that image and go to the view tab and deactivate the hidden geometry like this. Also go to the camera tab, make the camera as perspective like this. Also I want to increase the numbers of opacity to 50 like this, and also turn off the X-ray mode. Select it all and make it as a group. So this was our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new upcoming videos, and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.